So congratulations to all those students who have scored well, and definitely my healers. आप लोग ने जो कमाल किया है ना स्टूडेंट्स के लाइफ में, दैट इज तो अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. सो रेकी वर्कड, द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्कड, सो मेनी थिंग्स यू ट्राइड, वास्तु रेमेडीज यू रिकमेंडेड देम, थोड़ा सा काउंसलिंग किया है. थैंक यू सो मच कि आज अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स. लाइक आई हैव गॉट सो मेनी पर्सनल मैसेजेस टुडे कि मैम मेरे स्टूडेंट ने ये किया, मेरे वो किया, लाइक इतने अच्छा स्कोर है, किसी को 87, किसी को 97, किसी को 98. जो बच्चे फेल होने वाले थे वो भी इतना अच्छा स्कोर कर पाए हैं. दैट इज समथिंग सो गुड. आई एम सो थैंकफुल to helping these students to come out of their comfort zone, their fear, and making them so courageous and helping them to perform their best. क्योंकि पोटेंशियल सब में होता है, बट उसे अनलॉक जो करता है ना, जो भी कोच या टीचर, वो बेस्ट होता है. So yes, today I wanted to talk about regarding the students or children in our life. So let's understand the concept actually. Let's understand the concept. Remember one thing, a sense of appreciation, sense of achievement. ये दो चीज जो है ना, ये कभी भी मिस नहीं करना चाहिए with children. You always need to take care about these children or any children. Always appreciate them, always tell them ki yes for their achievement, praise them for their achievement. It's very important. They need this. वरना वो बाहर जाएगी अप्रिसिएशन के लिए, अगर उनको घर में नहीं मिल रहा है, अपनों से नहीं मिल रहा है. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड आई होप यू आर डूइंग दिस बिकॉज you need to avoid few things which is hurting them. It's very important. अगर आप बच्चों का ध्यान नहीं रख रहे ना, somewhere they are feeling sad inside and they are going out for this, whatever they are not getting from their own people, their own family, they are moving out to receive that. So it's very important that avoid testing your children. उनके विल पावर को टेस्ट मत कीजिए, प्लीज अवॉइड दैट. आई हैव सीन पेरेंट्स एंड फैमिली पीपल टेस्टिंग कि देखते हैं तेरे में कितनी काबिलियत है, देखते हैं. इट्स लाइक डोंट टेस्ट देम. दे आर नॉट टेकन बर्थ इन योर फैमिली टू गिव योर टेस्ट. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, अवॉइड लेबलिंग देम. दिस इज समथिंग विच आई एम सीइंग. मजाक में भी, मस्ती में भी आप लोग है ना, लोगों के सामने अपने ही बच्चों को लेबलिंग करते हो, लेबल देते हो. लेबल इज समथिंग एक टैगलाइन देते हो, तू तो बुद्धू ही है, तू ऐसे ही है, तू तो वीक है, तू हमेशा नेगेटिव ही सोचता है. दिस इज समथिंग यू आर लेबलिंग. ये बच्चा ना तो ये तो गुस्से वाला बच्चा है. दिस द वे यू आर सेइंग इट मीन्स यू आर लेबलिंग योर चाइल्ड. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, आप मजाक में भी कर रहे हो ना, पर वो बच्चे के दिल पे और दिमाग पे छप जाता है. very important. Stop labeling them. Avoid physical punishments. I am seeing parents doing that also. जो younger children होते हैं ना, आपको आज ये punishment है, खाना नहीं मिलेगा, ये हुआ तो वो punishment है, आज ये नहीं करने मिलेगा, ये चीज आपके पास से लिया जाएगा. Please, again I'm saying they're not taken birth to you know see your punishments or whatever punishments you're giving. उसमें से गुजरने की उसके लिए नहीं तो बर्थ नहीं लिया है. सो प्लीज टेक केयर, डोंट गिव देम फिजिकल पनिशमेंट्स कि आज खाना ही नहीं मिलेगा आपको, या आज आपको बाहर जाने नहीं मिलेगा, आपके दोस्तों के साथ बात करने नहीं मिलेगा. whatever you're doing, you know what punishments you are giving, because I'm sure आपको भी ये ऐसे पनिशमेंट्स नहीं पसंद आएंगे. कोई आपको पनिश करे, even you wouldn't love that, right? Please, so take care of that. Don't stop them from expressing themselves. The moment they're starting to speak something, express something, अभी मुझे वक्त नहीं है, प्लीज थोड़ी देर के बाद, यार तुम तो बहुत बातें करते हो, पता नहीं क्या बातें करते हो, बार बार जब भी हो कुछ ना कुछ बातें करते रहते हो. प्लीज डोंट स्टॉप देम टू एक्सप्रेस. दिस इज समथिंग वेयर यू आर लेटिंग देम डाउन, और धीरे धीरे वो एक्सप्रेस करना बंद कर देंगे और दे विल मूव आउट. Take care. Please let them express. Spend some time with them. They need you. They need you as a guide, right? They need you as a family. In fact, you can help them, to increase their physical activities. उनको sports स्पोर्ट्स में किसी डाल दो या ज्वाइन करवा दो, और यू प्ले विद देम. यू कैन प्ले, देयर आर मेनी इजी गेम्स which you can go out and play with your own children. That is like you're spending time also, and physically active अगर रहेंगे तो that is good for them. वरना वो lazy होते जाएंगे, and the relationship, the bond also will create lots of gap. It's very very important. Yes, daily routine study का होना चाहिए, but you can tell 2 hours of study कर लो, बाकी 2 hours you can play, other 2 hours you can meet your friends or whatever. So please make a routine for them and make it easy for them. Ki, okay yaar, if I play 2 hours then it's good, I can also study for 2 hours. Make a routine, make a routine for them. So meditation, please, from the young, when they're young na, tab se hi meditation ki please aadat dal do. It's very important that they sit and meditate at least for 5 minutes daily. Very very important, because nowadays you're seeing children are going through anxiety, stress and depression. How it is coming, how it is coming? Yes, due to the situations around them or whatever they are going through. But meditation will help them take correct decisions, help them be stable, mentally stable. It's very important, because agar wo mentally stable nahi hai, you all know that decisions kuch bhi ho sakte hain, and it will go against them only. So meditation ki aadat dal do, and meditation, don't take it as a punishment, but just come here, let's try this for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, as a game. गेम के तौर पे आप उन्हें मेडिटेशन करवा सकते हो. लेट्स सी 2 minutes कैन यू सिट स्टिल, और 2 minutes कैन यू क्लोज योर आईज एंड थिंक ऑन जस्ट ऑन वन सब्जेक्ट. So slowly they can come out. Help them with hypnosis sessions. So this is going to work really great. Just help them, to move ahead in life, to face things in life, and in a very positive way. It's very important. Your child will learn from you only. They don't need to go to a counselor or a psychiatrist or psychologist. I'm always saying parents are the best counselor on the planet for your own children. Try to build a high self-esteem and tremendous confidence mindset, like a genius. Like, आप उनको बोलो वो कर सकते हैं, they have that confidence. Give them few examples जहां उन्होंने सही में उनका confidence दिखाया था, where they had literally show their confidence that they could do it. So just उनको उनसे ही compare करवाओ, दूसरों से नहीं. Don't compare them with others. Just show their own abilities. Like, remember that day you had performed so well. Exactly that day I understood that you have that potential, that skill to perform so well. Wow, your confidence is so good. Like, build their self-esteem more and more. It's very important. Subconscious mind programming for their ultimate performance and success, even that is so important. Subconscious mind program is like, when you're talking to them, and slowly you are hitting their subconscious mind by programming few positive words. You can also tell them, close your eyes, sit quietly for some time and just listen to my words, and give them positive statements which will help them and boost their energy and their confidence. And I'm telling you, they will be able to perform well in whatever they're doing in life. So there are many tools and techniques, to become a good memory champion, or to have a good memory, to have a good focus. There are so many techniques. There is Stratak Sadhana, where they can focus on the flame of the candle, or you can simply make a triangle and a red circle inside that and tell them to focus on that before any studies. Or simply, there is a chess game. You can help them play chess. You can help them play those puzzles, solving puzzles. This is going to help their mind, to become more focused in their studies or whatever in their life they want to perform well. कुछ ऐसे टेक्निक्स ढूंढो जिसके वजह से वो अपने मेमोरी को शार्पन करे. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मेमोरी गेम इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, कि आपने 5 मिनट तक देख लिया क्या क्या चीजें हैं अराउंड, एंड क्लोज योर आई एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट. That is also good. Graphology tips are very very useful for these students, because If you communicate well with your child, if you give them the right ideas, the right techniques and the tools, it will help them only to perform well. So important first thing is communication. आप आपके बच्चों के साथ सुधारो. A kind request. Make a beautiful communication with your child so that he sees the best friend in you only, he or she. बेस्ट फ्रेंड सबसे पहले तो एज अ पेरेंट आप ही होना चाहिए. ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स और पेरेंट्स वो ही होना चाहिए आपके ही चाइल्ड के लाइफ में. एंड देन दे कैन हैव अदर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स आउटसाइड योर फैमिली. बट फर्स्ट इज इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम योर फैमिली. लाइक tell them you should become an unshakable leader. You should set your goals. You should achieve your goals. Come on, be the super achiever of your life. And this is how you can motivate them. If you are not motivating them, where will they go? Will they go? Definitely they need a helping hand. Tell them, teach them how to deal with negative emotions such as fear, anxiety, stress, tension, anger, worry. The children are going through that. Please tell them to face it, because these things are going to come, but they need to learn how to face it. It's okay if they fail. Tell them, yes, it's okay to fail. It's completely fine. It's completely fine. It's okay to fail, but tell them. Tell them your own stories. Remember, indirect way se aap unko batao. Remember, even let me tell you one story. In fact, कि एक बार ऐसा हुआ था. I was attending my exams in ninth or 10th or in college, and I had failed. And that time I understood that how important education is, because उसके वजह से मेरा performance drop हो रहा था, मेरा score drop हो रहा था. And then I got the right coach, and then my father explained me कि how important it is to score, or the maths is so easy. And then from my failures only I learned then I need to help myself. So tell your own stories, whatever. Be transparent to your children about your failures and tell them how you learned from them, so that उनको भी पता चलेगा कि कैसे बाबा फेल हुआ तो ठीक है, बट उसमें से भी हम कैसे उभर के आ सकते हैं. हाउ कैन दे हेल्प देमसेल्व्स. Okay, stress thoda bahut is okay, but if you're taking so much stress that you're going blank while giving your exams, that is something very very critical. So tell them ki stress little is okay, but too much of pressure you don't need to take. Just be confident, believe in yourself, and say to yourself that you can remember each and everything easily, effortlessly. You're enjoying your exams. Let the exams be a easy word, a easy feeling. I don't know why the moment you say exams, it's like exams, this is the expression, the word which comes out. Exams, yes, wow. I have seen few of my students saying this. Wow, exams are coming up, I am going to just enjoy, I'm going to perform well, because I know myself, I believe in myself, I'm confident, I love giving exams. This is, this mindset is very important for the students. And definitely, improving the focus and concentration, these techniques should be regular in their life. And it can be, done with the dart game also. Like there are so many beautiful games. Come up with new ideas, different ideas. You need to be very creative for your children. So the children will be creative looking at you. Remember, I had just shared this in the reels or short video. If you are watching in the YouTube and the Instagram, I just said, coach like Achrekar sir made Sachin Tendulkar the god of cricket. So the right coach will always help you reach your destination, and you can be the right coach. Or even if you're a teacher to any student, come on, let's do that. Let's be the best coach in their life. If students get the best coach now, they will focus on their solutions, not on their problems. Because only a coach or a mentor can help. Only a coach and a mentor, parents can help their children achieve their goals. So promise yourself, you have children or you don't, you have students in the form of students. If you have children, please go and help them. They need you. They need your positive energy. They need your counseling. They need your support. अगर आप सही चीजें उनको देने लग जाओगे ना, ट्रस्ट मी, they'll start loving that subject also. There are many students who don't like a certain subject, a particular subject, but you can literally convert their mindset, and you can help them may love that subject. Trust me, we have done that, our healers, and we have done that. मुझे खुद को मैथ्स पसंद नहीं था, but when I got the right coach, I started loving maths. At least I could perform well in my math. If not love, at least I could like. I was I was ready to help myself to score well through a good coach. But a coach is very important. And ये कोच घर में भी होना चाहिए और बाहर भी होना चाहिए. So even as a parents, it's your responsibility to search a good teacher and a mentor for your child. Maybe you're not good at all these subjects, but few subjects you are good, you can help him or her. But few subjects, if you're not, try to get an expert. Try to get an expert जो उसके wavelength को match हो, जो उसकी frequency को match हो. Because if the student is not liking the teacher, he will hate the subject also. एंड आई एम श्योर ये आप भी समझ पा रहे हो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. आपके साथ भी ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ होगा स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, कि अगर टीचर अच्छा नहीं तो सब्जेक्ट भी बोरिंग लगता है, बट अगर टीचर अच्छा है तो हिस्ट्री जैसा सब्जेक्ट भी बहुत प्यारा लगता है. या सी, अगर मूवीज, आप मूवीज देखते हो, अभी आजकल कितने हिस्टोरिकल मूवीज बन रहे हैं, नो, like they're taking the real story of different characters related to our history heroes. और जब हम वो मूवी देते हैं, वी गेट सो मोटिवेटेड, अरे यार उसने ऐसा किया था, ऐसा किया था, कितने अच्छे से प्रेजेंट किया है. तो एक टीचर का काम वही है, अगर वो अच्छी तरीके से प्रेजेंट करे या सिखाए एनी टॉपिक को, तो वो स्टूडेंट को पसंद आएगा ही. द वे यू आर लाइकिंग द मूवी, सेम वे उस सब्जेक्ट से भी प्यार हो जाएगा. सो हेल्प, please go and help, and you can do it. I'm telling you, you can do it. It's very, it's your responsibility, I feel, towards your children and towards the students. So please help your students. Okay.